power supplies for turntables. Paul, great name, in Middlesex, England. Sorry. Middlesbrough, England? I don't know. I like Middlesex better. I have ordered an external power supply for my Rega 3. My power supply that came in the box is 100 milliamp, and the one I have ordered is a 500 to 800 milliamp. Will that matter? It did say it was compatible with the Rega 1, 2, and 3, and I'm unsure if this is a good thing or a bad thing. Also, my in the box mains is 50 hertz, and I'm unsure what my new one is, and I don't have it on the spec, but I have been told if it's 60 or 80 hertz, it'll run too fast. And if my product says it's compatible with Rega 1, 2, and 3, I thought it'd be okay. Can you please give me some advice? I think you're going to be just fine. So what we don't want is when that 100 mA figure goes below 101 mA. So that's milliamps, and that's how much current it has. But if it had an amp, or, what is the other one here? He's got 500 to 800. Well, that's half an amp to 0.8 amps. That's fine. More is better. Why? Well, because our devices that are powered from the power supplies take what they want. It isn't pushed to them, if you see what I mean. So if I have, what's a good example? Water is always a great example. If I have a giant city water tank with 100 million gallons in it, and I have a faucet out there that I'm going to fill a glass of water, it doesn't matter if there's 100 million gallons or 1 gallon inside of that holding tank, because my valve is going to tell me how much I'm going to take out of it and at what speed, regardless of how much is actually in there. So if that makes sense. So units draw what they need, and they don't get pushed what this is trying to offer. So having more is always fine. Now the hertz thing, I am imagining that the external power supplies are DC, so it probably doesn't matter at all. But anyway, I don't know the Regas. If it's an AC motor, and if this is an AC power supply, then it will want to have the proper frequency out of the mains. But you've got 50 hertz in either case, so I don't think it'll matter. My guess is it doesn't matter in any case, because it sounds to me like, and my guess is it's a DC power supply, so who cares, right? And the reason we don't care is because DC doesn't have any frequency. 50 hertz in, 60 hertz in, we don't care. That's just still going to convert over to DC voltage regardless of the frequency. So you, my friend, are in perfect shape, and probably a little better off having a little bit more oomph, which is always a good thing, never a bad thing in terms of your power supply. Good luck, and out there in Middlesbrough, England. I just like saying the word sex. I'll talk to you later. Bye.